Guys, this is Dallas roads, man. This is Dallas, guys. I'm on I-1, is it 114? This is Dallas, guys. This is Dallas streets. Can you guys believe this? Dallas. This is snow, ice everywhere. I believe they don't have equipment to plow the road. So this is Dallas, guys. Look how bad is the roads. There's snow everywhere. Man, this is the streets of Dallas, whether you like it or not. This is Dallas, guys. I still have 1 mile, 1.3 miles to my delivery, but everybody's driving slow. I'm on I-114 West. This is the streets of Dallas, guys. My speed limit is 35. So I'm just taking my time. Messed up roads in Texas. Dallas, man, the winter storm was crazy, man. Look how it messed up Dallas. It really messed it up. So I'm about to take an exit, so I'm gonna end the video. Guys, enjoy the streets of the unplowed streets of Dallas, guys.